Here we are at Köln Gremberg level crossing in North Rhine-Westphalia with AB trains and UK trains fan, but he's all the way over there. Yeah, I wish to make a correction. It's not Goldberg, it's Gremberg. It even says so up there on the signal box. So yeah, I do apologise to any Germans watching this. But yeah, thankfully I've corrected the record. Right, time is 13:50 Central European time on Wednesday the 23rd of April 2025, and it's for the usual. It's either a freight or a light loco or a ECS movement. Oh, something over there. We have, I don't know if I can read it, 185026. Not to confuse with the Class 185 back in the UK. That's a diesel. This is an electric. There, that goes off to somewhere. And up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.